और पैर कैसे रखने हैं?
चलना है थोड़ा थोड़ा अपने तरफ।
और ऊपर जाने के बाद क्या?
खुद टूट जाएंगे, बस चलते रहेंगे।
रन शुआ
श्योर रन
शुआ ना
रन।
I just got done with it. For some time when it was moving, I was so scared. I was screaming so much. But it was fun. Now I'm waiting for Saish. He's back. Let's ask how he felt. How was it?
Awesome.
You cried?
Huh?
You cried?
No, you cried?
No.
क्यों पूछा फिर?
You didn't get scared when it was moving like this, like this. It felt exactly like that. Yes.
Starting time में ज़्यादा नहीं लगा ऐसे भागने.
Start.
कैसा लगा?
Were you like laid back the whole time or were you
Yes.
straight? Because of laying back, I couldn't see properly. someone just tried to sell us weed. मेरा concealer went. Oh my god, what is that? He's just walking with it, yeah. Poor thing. He came so close to me, I got scared, and then he got scared and he ran away. Hey puppy. Hi doggo. Bro, just look at it. Oh my god. And I'm not even able to open it fast. For you also. They are so sweet. Even though we are not on a honeymoon, but they decorated our bed like this. So sweet. I've always wanted to sleep on a bed like this. They are so sweet. They got us a cake. So sweet of them to get. I hope it's chocolate from inside. You don't know what's inside. And there's a wine, apple wine, and 2 glasses and candle. Oh my goodness. Hi, so this is the next day and I'm loving my makeup today so much, like too much. And you know what, there's literally nobody in the hotel, like guests, so only we two are there. But even staff, there's nobody, bro. Like nobody's even to give breakfast. And we're just knocking everywhere, no one's at the reception. What kind of hotel? And my skin has become so good after coming here. Like so flawless, bro. He's gone outside to check if people are there. Lol, there's nobody. No one's there. Call someone. No wonder no one picks up calls also. Reception. We called so many times. We ordered things. Nothing came. Like there's no one working here only. We had ordered cold coffee yesterday, but it never arrived. So since nobody's there, we are leaving without breakfast. We do have some Pringles, so we'll eat that. Kya kare, bro? Like this hotel is weird, bro. Like people came now, but it will take a while till they make the breakfast. So yeah, we are not waiting. We have to leave for Rohtang, right? I have this pink sweater. It's so cute. Usually I don't wear such ekdam se funky colors, but I thought it will be a good contrast. So it's really cute. This is my outfit. मेरा अच्छा फोटो निकालना मेरे फोटोज निकाल. Taking these for rent. Oh no. We have come for breakfast here. हाँ?
पराठा you need?
Maggie
सुबह
सुबह Maggie 24/7.
एक मैगी बन.
I love the vibe of such dhabas, you know, and I love to eat Maggie here. Look at this doggy. Doo-hoo. Love the K-Beauty foundation. Like my skin is acting so dry because of the weather, like so dry. And I've also prepped it really well now. But the foundation, it doesn't crack, bro. Like it's so comfortable on the skin. Like the glow is because of the highlighter and all, but the foundation, like it's not feeling dry only. Like sorry.
वो वाइड एंगल है ना, तो उसमें डिस्टॉर्शन रहता है शायद.
Okay. The paratha is good.
ये तो बहन है.
Shut up. I'm vlogging, you know that. And my nose is clean. I don't know. Is it? After that yesterday RT-PCR test, everything came out. So it has to be clean.
एक्चुअली क्लीन हुआ है एकदम.
But I can see something in my nose. It's so good. It tastes like Maggi only. It tastes like how my mom makes it. You mind if I eat it? My favorite mango. And I ate half his paratha also. that guy staring at me. Why are people staring at me?
Have you seen yourself?
Saish, your friends. You want Baba? Mama, want tea? He's stupid.
Disgust हो रहा है इसके.
How can you not like chat? Hey babe, this color looks so pretty. Such a pretty girl. I love it. I love it, mama. Rohtang is closed, so we won't be able to see any snow. So we are going somewhere else now. I so wanted to see the snow, and they are not gonna refund anything. I love when raindrops fall on me while I listen to songs. It's the best feeling ever.
ऐसे पूरा वेट.
Don't drop.
किस तरह से
You have become red. Are my lenses fine?
Yes. You should have removed them.
It's okay. I can't do it. I didn't even know what we were going for.
हाँ, push करने भी नहीं आता
I
पाना
went
ऊपर.
I thought it's zipline.
अभी क्या करना है? देखा.
शूट किया?
हाँ. आराम से आना. ए इधर आराम से आना है. Three, two, one, go.
चलो मैम आगे आगे. इसका थोड़ा अलग एक्सपीरियंस रहता है.
मजा आया.
Babe, how come they were sitting in?
अरे वही बोला ना, ये फ्लाइंग फॉक्स है, वो जिप लाइन है नॉर्मल.
नहीं ना, हमारे सामने ही थे वो.
हाँ वो बैठे थे ना. हमारा
वो
पीछे
जिप लाइन
लगा
है,
वो
फ्लाइंग
पीछे
फॉक्स
लगा.
है. ऊपर दिखता है ना, नीचे को नहीं. अभी
He's going again for the reverse bungee. I'm not, because I'm on my period and I don't want to go. नहीं, ये हाँ ये थोड़ा था ना.
मैंने बोला उसको थोड़ा कर.
बैठी सिस्टर.
कल हम लोग एकदम ही ऊपर पहुंच गए.
नहीं करना. कोई नहीं करवा देते हैं और छोटा.
नहीं.
How did you feel?
दूसरे टाइम कुछ नहीं लगता.
But was it like
रिवर
too
साइड जाना है.
close to-
हाँ
रिवर साइड.
क्या है उधर
ये फोटो कीजिए.
जाना है.
That take a flashback only I'm getting again and again. In middle of the night I'm remembering that. I don't want to do that. It was so scary. Like one time it's fine. I'm not going again and maybe next like after a while I'll go. But अभी hi. white face. Just ignore my concealer. Like my face was completely wet with rings. So you're also shooting, Mama? We have stopped again for Maggie. Maggie is come. We are back. Now plans are watching movies. So yesterday we started this movie Mimi. So we'll continue the same. And also I saw Tanisho. When we were doing that ropeway ride, that's when I saw her. But I didn't talk to her. I didn't know what to say. Like I don't even watch her videos, so I have no idea. She looked familiar, okay? I saw her and I'm like, I've seen her somewhere. I know her. Is she my friend? Like I couldn't remember at all. And Sai, she's like, she's Tanisho because he watches a lot of reels. So he has seen her reels, so that's how he knows her. I'm like, Arey haan, she's Tanisho. I get her video recommendations on YouTube. Abhi susu karna.
I just have to.
Hi, it's the next day. Just sitting in the balcony. My skin looks oily because I put a lot of stuff like sunscreen and things like that. This is completely dry. I didn't put anything. It should. It's very dry. Today there's not going to be any makeup because we have to go to Chandigarh today. It's going to be a long ride from Manali to Chandigarh, and of course it's going to be Ghat, so I'm going to be sleeping the whole time. And I want to be comfortable, so I didn't wear any makeup. And tomorrow we are leaving. We have a flight in the morning. The driver did say that he'll be taking us for river rafting because he knows a lot of contacts and he wants us to have as much fun as possible. But I don't want to do that, and even Saish doesn't seem to want to do that. So I think we're gonna skip that. And I'm just wearing simple clothes today. And I'm wearing joggers because I want to be comfortable while sleeping. We have reached Chandigarh. Please ignore my avatar. I look too comfy and I love this room. I love this vibe actually. The people are so sweet, like super sweet. I wish we had got this hotel for all the days. That's me. That's my husband. Just had bath. I feel so clean right now. By the way, I washed my hair. I usually don't wash my hair when I'm traveling, so I have not carried any products, no shampoo, no conditioner. My hair was feeling extremely dusty because I keep the window open, so the whole day dust was just sitting and it was extremely dirty. Like even if I touch it, like there was a lot of dust coming. So it was dirty, and the shower is so nice over here that when I started having bath, the shower was like, let me wash your hair, so I'm like, okay, just wash it. But since I don't have anything, like I use the hotel shampoo only. There was no conditioner, so my hair is only shampooed. Just rough dried it, the upar ka part. Rest part is thoda wet still. And now we are gonna have dinner and I'm super hungry. That's how I'm looking. Petu. Bye. We had done RT-PCR. It actually wasn't needed. We had just done in case. Because to go to Goa, you just need a vaccination certificate, the fully vaccinated certificate. So we had that and we showed. So we didn't have to show the RT-PCR result. We simply did.
It didn't turn curly.
Because
This is a natural hair.
पागल है क्या?
A natural hair is not curly.
मैंने
Wouldn't you want blow dry after?
मैंने सीरम लेके ऐसे किया स्ट्रेट को.
Your hair is not curly. कुछ भी बक देती है लोगों को सुनते हैं तो.
अरे सी कर्ल पैटर्न आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम हियर माई हेयर इज मोस्टली स्ट्रेट नीचे नीचे कर्ली हो जाते हैं
It's wavy at the most.
अरे
Your
but
natural hair. It's not curly.
this wave is a type of curl.
But जैसे तो ऐसे कर्ल कर नूडल्स जैसे वीडियो में दिखाते हैं वैसे नहीं.
You have to style it like that.
कैसे होते हैं उसको स्टाइल्ड हेयर बोलते हैं ना.
अरे but it's like enhancing your natural hair.
तो एनहांस किया ना नेचुरल थोड़ी है.
Like the even you are bald, but you style and it looks good, na? That doesn't mean it's artificial. It's your natural
सब
hair.
एंगल
only.
से बॉल दिखता है.